Unpacking the phrase, clean out the closet. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that might sound simple but carries a lot of meanings. Clean out the closet. Whether you're learning English as a new language or polishing your skills, understanding phrases like this can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's break it down together. The phrase, clean out the closet, first and foremost has a literal meaning. It involves physically tidying up a closet space in your home. This could mean sorting through items stored in a closet, getting rid of things you no longer need, and organizing what remains. It's all about making that space cleaner and more orderly. Interestingly, clean out the closet also has a figurative meaning. It can refer to the process of addressing and getting rid of hidden or suppressed issues, secrets, or problems in one's life. Much like the physical act of cleaning out a cluttered space, this metaphorical use implies making one's personal or emotional life more orderly and free from unwanted burdens. This phrase is quite versatile in everyday English. You might hear someone say they're going to clean out the closet on a weekend, meaning they plan to tidy up. Or, in a more serious conversation, someone might mention they need to clean out the closet regarding their personal affairs, indicating a desire to deal with personal issues. Context usually makes it clear which meaning is intended. Literal, I spent all Saturday cleaning out the closet in my bedroom. I can finally see the floor again. Figurative, after years of keeping my feelings to myself, I decided it was time to clean out the closet and talk to a therapist. Whether you're literally tidying up or metaphorically sorting through personal matters, clean out the closet is a phrase that packs a lot of meaning into a few words. Understanding both its literal and figurative uses can enhance your English language skills, making you sound more like a native speaker. We hope this exploration helps you feel more confident in using and understanding English phrases. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!